Foster your own happiness and don't rely on others for it. Instead of dwelling on the past, seize the present to shape your future. Extend forgiveness to your adversaries, but remember their names. Approach work with the enthusiasm of a romantic date. If a relationship must be concealed, reconsider its worth. While knowledge is valuable, practical application is paramount. Building a positive reputation may take years, yet it can crumble in mere minutes. Resolve conflicts with your past to safeguard the present. Express your thoughts before your words and assess situations with your conscience. Steer clear of dubious places, as misfortune often lurks there. Today's efforts lay the foundation for a better tomorrow. Embrace solitude as part of personal growth. Maintain trustworthiness. Never deceive those who rely on you. Both cultivating grapes by the roadside and marrying a beautiful woman present unique challenges. Today is the tomorrow you once worried about, so cherish it. Invest time in your children. It's more valuable than spending money on them. Avoid manipulating others' feelings towards their loved ones. It may backfire. Dedicate more effort to self-improvement than to your job. True love transcends physical appearances. Safeguard your reputation. It is your most cherished possession. In adversity, wise individuals build bridges, while the foolish construct dams. Cultivate calmness to diminish fear. Choose companions wisely. Bad company brings more harm than good. Love, like rain, is indiscriminate in its fall. Life doesn't grant all our desires, but those we love enrich our existence. Don't broadcast your kindness to everyone. Some don't deserve it. Be courageous, and if needed, feign confidence. No one will discern the difference. A wise person's heart remains serene, akin to clear, still water. Seek happiness nearby. It may be closer than you think. Regulate your mind to prevent external control. Allow second chances, but avoid granting a third. Treat others with your standards, not theirs. Transition from challenging life stages as a survivor, not a victim. Genuine hearts embody honesty, and true friends don't forget you over time. Growth accompanies suffering, learning involves mistakes, and success requires failure. Share your sorrows selectively. Your mother will feel them twofold. Celebrate surviving the seemingly insurmountable days. Signs of a woman's desire manifest in touches and unwavering eye contact. While a bird and a fish may share love, building a home together remains impossible.